Hello guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to be considering the theory aspect of how to prepare tiger nut milk step by step. And if you're watching us for the first time, please make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also don't forget to share and invite others to this YouTube channel. Moving on, we're presenting the tiger nut milk, which is called kunuaya or ofio milk in Nigeria. And this tiger nut milk is a traditional food of Nigeria that is common in the northern part. Tiger nuts are rich in minerals including calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. They are also rich in vitamin E and C. Tiger nut milk or kunuaya is a traditional method of preparing tiger nuts in case you don't want to chew it, which we have the dry one and also the not so dry one. So this Nigerian method highlights the natural sweet, creamy, and it offers a luxurious, rich and nutty flavor. It has lots of health benefits and the milk can be used as a substitute for the regular cow's milk. We think that milking a tiger nut should be on your list, so we've created an easy step-by-step recipe for tiger nut milk. Go on, Jessica, let us check out how to make and the ingredients that are required in making this tiger nut milk. Don't forget, the preparation time is 20 minutes, soaking 24 hours. Total time that you use in preparing this is 24 hours 20 minutes, and the servings, you can have 6 servings or any how you want to serve it. Moving on to the ingredients, we have 3 cups of dry tiger nuts or the quantity which you want, but let us just go with 3 cups of dry tiger nuts. We have 1 cup of fresh tiger nuts, so you're going to mix the two. We have 1 coconut to increase the creaminess and 10 dried dates to sweeten it. You can add ginger and it is optional. Moving on to the preparation, guys, wash and pour water over the dried and fresh tiger nut. Cover and let it soak for 24 hours and cover with a lid. The longer the soak, the softer they will be and better they will pour into milk. Change the water from time to time so that it doesn't ferment. Once soaked, pour the tiger nut and liquid through a colander to drain the water and wash the tiger nut again. Remove the seeds of the date and wash the dates. Break the coconut, remove its shell, slice into small pieces and add it to the tiger nut. Also add the ginger, but don't forget the ginger is optional, but I'd rather add it for extra benefit, as you know that ginger also has its own health benefit. So transfer the mixture, that is the tiger nut, coconut, dates and ginger, into the blender and add about 1 to 2 cups of water and blend on high until smooth and creamy, that is 2 to 4 minutes depending on the blender. Pour the tiger nut paste into a big bowl. Place a fine mesh strainer, sieve bag, same type that is used for pap. Use it and place it over a large bowl and pour the blended tiger nut. Squeeze the bottom of the bag to release the milk and separate it from the tiger nut pulp. Place the tiger nut pulp back in the blender and add another 1 to 2 cups of water. Pour again for a couple minutes. Strain off the milk and you can combine the first batch or you can keep them separate. The subsequent batches won't be as rich as creamy as the very first batch. Once you're done, pour the milk into a glass jar, chill in the refrigerator and enjoy. When left for some hours, now these are the preparation tips. When left for some hours, the milk will separate from the fat, but that's not a problem. Simply mix together and you'll enjoy. 2. Tiger nut milk has the tendency to coagulate in the fridge. Simply shake before each use. And the third one, store in the fridge for 3 to 5 days, as it is rare that it will stay good after 3 days in my experience. So you guys should not forget to make sure you consume it in time so that it won't get spoiled. So thanks for watching this video, and you can drop a comment in the comment section. Have any question, you drop it in the comment section. Don't forget to follow, like and share. Thank you guys, stay tuned and stay blessed.